Stop scrolling. Most Americans don't realize all the legal protections they may have. Do you? One of the biggest mistakes people make is giving up legal protections simply because they don't know they exist. If you're being questioned, you may have the right to remain silent and ask for a lawyer. The exact rules depend on the situation. The Fourth Amendment protects against unreasonable searches and seizures, although there are recognized exceptions under the law. In many situations, you can record police performing public duties, as long as you don't interfere and local laws are respected. Freedom of speech is one of America's most important constitutional protections, but it also has legal limits in certain situations. If you're unsure about your legal situation, asking for a lawyer before answering important questions can help protect your interests. Many employees have legal protections related to wages, discrimination, and workplace safety. The exact protections depend on federal, state, and local law. If a product is defective, you may have protections through warranties, return policies, or consumer protection laws, depending on the facts and where you live. Many states have rules about landlord entry, security deposits, and required notices, but the details depend on your lease and local law. Your health information may be protected by privacy laws like HIPAA in certain healthcare settings, but those laws have important limits. If you're eligible to vote, make sure you're registered and understand your state's voting rules before Election Day. Every app doesn't need access to everything on your phone. Reviewing your privacy settings regularly can help you stay in control of your personal information. If you're stopped by law enforcement, staying calm, following lawful instructions, and communicating respectfully can help the interaction go more smoothly. If you're called for jury duty, responding to the summons is an important civic responsibility. If you qualify for an exemption or postponement, follow your local court's instructions. Federal and state laws protect many workers from unlawful discrimination based on protected characteristics. If you believe your rights have been spoken. Many people believe freedom of speech means you can say anything anywhere. In reality, the law depends on the setting, who's involved. In many public places, recording is generally allowed, but privacy laws, local rules, and specific locations can change what's permitted. Due process means legal procedures matter. Government actions that affect someone's rights generally must follow the procedures required by law. Equal protection under the law is a core constitutional principle. It helps ensure that people are treated fairly under the legal system. Immigration laws are complex. Regardless of your status, certain legal protections may apply, but your rights and options depend on your specific situation and the law. Whether officials can enter or search a home depends on the circumstances. Warrants, consent, emergencies, and other legal exceptions can all affect what's allowed. Not everything you see online about the law is accurate. Before acting on legal advice from social media, verify it using reliable sources or speak with a qualified attorney. The best way to protect your rights is simple. Stay informed, stay respectful, keep good records, and ask a qualified lawyer when you need legal advice. Today, you've seen that many legal protections exist, but understanding when and how they apply is just as important as knowing they exist. Knowledge doesn't replace legal advice, but it helps you ask better questions, make informed decisions, and recognize when to seek professional help. If you found this helpful, follow for more easy-to-understand legal education, and share this with someone who should know their rights. Stay informed, stay respectful, know your rights.